Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the QCAA external exam paper 1 for 2022 math methods, and we'll be going through question 7 today. So as you would have known in the last couple of videos, I've been starting to split up all the exam questions into their own video. This is to give you a bit more variety if you are studying pretty much these past papers and need help. Mainly because, let's say you only struggle with a couple questions, rather than sitting through the full exam video, you can go straight to pretty much question 7's video or question 9's video, etc. and watch them there. But the full exam video is still up on YouTube, so if you prefer that, that's still an option there as well. I thought I'd give it both to everyone though, okay? If you still want that full exam video, the link is in the description below with the playlist. If you want a Math Methods External Exam Bundle Pack, the link is also in the description below to get that as a download. It's a very useful resource. It'll help you out this exam prep, especially if you've run our past papers to practice. It comes with full work solutions for everything, and it's about 40-something pages long. It's pretty big. Anyway, let's get straight into question 7. Okay. Now, question 7 is a tricky one because it only uses a little bit of Unit 4 and a little bit of stuff from Unit 2. So not many people got this question right when they did this exam. Okay. Alright, question 7. A circle with a radius r and internal angle theta is shown, has a shaded segment as shown there. Okay, so the shaded bit being this guy here. Okay, if theta is in radians, the area of the shaded segment is, and they give you a couple options here. Now, I don't know many people that got this one fully correct because it requires a bit of knowledge from Unit 2. So, the things you've got to notice about this question here is 1, there is a triangle present, and there's also a sector present. Okay, so we need to work out the area of both of them and subtract them. So the area of a sector is pretty much accounting for that arc curve in the circle and having the radiuses there. So that's r and that's theta. So the area of a sector. Now, they've said it's already in radians, so you don't need to go theta divided by 180 times by pi. The area of a sector is a half r squared theta. Now, if you have a triangle like this, which is different, and that's A, and that's B, or actually let's say that's A, that's B, and that's angle C. The area of a triangle from Unit 4 is a half A, B, sine C. So in our situation here, for our triangle, we have r theta. So our area is a half r times r, which is r squared, sine theta. So, if you want the area here, you need to work out the area of this guy here and subtract the area of this guy here. So the area there is the area of the, let's just go sector, minus the area of the triangle. So in this situation here, we just really need these two formulas. So area of a sector is a half r squared theta. Area of a triangle is a half r squared sine theta. What you look for is to try and make it look like any of these options here so far. Okay. Now all of them have taken an r squared over 2 outside the front. So we might as well do that because we both have a half and an r squared. So we take r squared over 2 out the front. What you'll be left here is theta minus sine theta. And we just look to see what answer that is, which I believe is question B. Now, if you want to get good at a question like this, it's kind of hard because they used a bit of knowledge from Unit 2. However, that has to be assumed knowledge when heading in as well. And mostly in this case here, the only thing they're really doing from Unit 4 is assessing this triangle formula here, which you would have learnt in trigonometry. Okay. But if you had any issues with this question here, you generally just got to study trigonometry a little bit more. If you need a new methods exam bundle pack, the link is in the description below. If you want access to the full exam video, link is also in the description below. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video for question 8.